Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel Come to Learn. I hope you will be all fine. Today we will talk about possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Possessive means malkiyat, something which belongs to me or something which belongs to someone. Possessive pronouns used to indicate possession. Possessive pronouns shows ownership. They cover possessive adjectives and absolute possessive pronouns. For example, take Ria's bag back to school. And what is its possession? Take her bag to school. Here we are talking about the bag of a girl whose name is Ria. And what is the possession here? Her is the possession here. Because this bag belongs to Ria and we use her for its possession to show its possession. Here her is a possessive pronoun. Here is the table of all cases of possessive pronouns. First person singular. Here's its subjective case is I. Second person singular, its subjective case is you. I had told you in my previous video about the first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. Third person pronoun is he, she, it. Let's talk about first about the singular personal pronouns. Here objective case of I is me. Subjective case pronoun act as a subject of a sentence. I is a subject and its objective case is me. Here objective case means the pronoun which act as an object of a sentence. Its possessive case adjective means my. Possessive case adjectives are those which comes before noun. And absolute possessive case pronoun is mine. Absolute possessive case pronouns do not modify noun. They just show possession of a noun. For example, my book. Here my is possessive case adjective and this book is mine. Here mine is absolute possessive case pronoun because this mine shows the possession of a noun. It doesn't modify noun but it shows possession of a noun. Got it? Back to our table. You, its objective case is you. There is no change. But if we talk its possessive case adjective, it will be your. And its absolute possessive case pronoun will be your. Means your book, yours. Your book, yours book. Third person singular, he, she, it. Its objective case pronoun will be him. For he, we use him. For she, we use her. And for it, there will be no change. And if we talk its possessive case adjective, for he, it will be his. Means his book. Understand? For she, we will use her. Same. And for it, it will be its. Its book. absolute possessive case pronoun of he is his, and for her she is hers, and for it is its. Now we talk about plural, first person plural. Plural are those which are more than one, means we. For its objective case will be us. Its possessive case adjective will be our, means our book. And its absolute possessive case pronoun will be ours. Second person plural will be you. If I am talking to a person, I will not use use. I will address to that person with you, not your or your use. I will address that person with you. And its objective case pronoun will be same, but there is change in possessive case adjective, means your book. And absolute possessive case pronoun will be yours. This book is yours. Okay? And third person plural is they. Third person plural means which are not present, but we are talking about them. They will be they, and their objective case will be them. And their possessive case adjective will be their, means their book. There is no space left. Their book. Okay? Possessive case adjective, their book. And absolute possessive case pronoun will be theirs. This book is theirs. Okay? Here is the end of the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is something which shows ownership, which indicates possession. And we have discussed all its cases, whether it's subjective case act as subject in a sentence, and objective case act as object in a sentence. And possessive case adjectives are those which come before the noun. For example, my book, your book, our book, their book. And absolute possessive case pronoun are those which modify noun, which shows possession of a noun. For example, mine, yours, this book is mine, this book is yours, this book is ours, this book is yours. Okay, here is the end of the possessive pronoun. I hope you understand this. It's tricky topic, but I hope you understand this. If you have any query, ask me in the below. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe. Hit the bell icon, like, share and comment.